talk about money. Where do we use money? We use money to buy something. This is the symbol of Indonesian rupiah. We use or we write IDR or RP. This is the symbol of Singaporean dollar. We write SGD. We write RP for Indonesian currency. These are the coins. We have 100 rupiah, 200 rupiah, 500 rupiah, and 1000 rupiah. So these are the coins. Now, these are the bills. We have 1000 rupiah or 1000 rupiah. We have 2000 rupiah or 2000 rupiah. This is the 5000 rupiah or 5000 rupiah. And this is the 10,000 rupiah or 10,000 rupiah. This is 20,000 rupiah or 20,000 rupiah. And this is the 50,000 rupiah bill or 50,000 rupiah. And the biggest denomination is 100,000 rupiah or 100,000 rupiah. How many coins do you see? There are 3 pieces of 100 rupiah. 1, 2, 3. When you put them together, it's 300 rupiah. There are 4 pieces of 500 rupiah. When you put together 5, 10, 15, 20, or 2,000 rupiah. There are 5 pieces of 1,000 rupiah. When you put them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then add the 3 zeros, it's 5,000 rupiah. How many do you see? There are 4 pieces of 2,000 rupiah. When you put them together, you skip count by 2 and then you add 3 zeros. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, and then you add 3 zeros, it's 8,000 rupiah. There are 6 pieces of 10,000 rupiah. When you put them together, skip counting by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then you add 3 zeros, it's 60,000 rupiah. There are 2 pieces of 50,000 rupiah, or when you add, it's 100,000 rupiah. There are 4 pieces of 100,000 rupiah, or 400,000 rupiah.